This is the Rock Dry Evolution, so this is the smart flash. Not that our other flashes are dumb, they just don't communicate with the press and the platen the same way. So this measures the temperature of your print, as long as the probe is in the print position. So if you notice, the probe is in the center of this, right about where this is at, the center of the flash dryer. We have this pulled out slightly so that it's hitting our ink surface area. You can also, depending on where you're at, let's say you want to hit, let's say your print's a little bit lower, so we can take this and rotate the flash sideways like this if you have a wider print, or if you need to move the probe down more. So there's two settings on the temp probe. One is your temperature, and that's the temperature it's measuring the ink at. Two is the time. Depending on the type of ink and where the flash point is on the ink, you're gonna vary that up and down. Right now, this is set to 119, 120, which is a good starting place. A lot of times, as your platens heat up, especially if you have multiple flashes, you can lower that down to 115, 110. You wanna keep things the perfect temperature. If it's too hot, you're gonna be gelling your inks. If it's too cold, your inks aren't gonna be flashing off. The nice thing about the probe is as the platens heat up, it lowers the amount of time that the actual flash bulbs turn on. So it automatically regulates. It's a great way to warm your platens up too. Just turn your flash on and hit start, and your platens will automatically heat up.